Hey there, language learners. I am Misbah Khalid. Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to sound like a true Brit? In this video, we are going to cover the basics of the British accent and how to master it in just one video. So let's dive in and get started. The British accent is one of the most recognizable and iconic accents in the world. From received pronunciation to Cockney or rhyming slang, the UK is home to a diverse range of accents and dialects. Let's start with the basics. Vowel sounds. In the British accent, the I in that is more like double E. E, and the A in cat is more like ah. For example, try pronouncing these words with the British accent. Beat, beat, cat, cat, prize, prize. Now let's move on to consonant sounds. In the British accent, the T sound is often pronounced more softly and the H sound is often dropped. For example, try pronouncing these words with the British accent. Water, water, house, house, pen, pen. Intonation and rhythm are key to mastering the British accent. Try using a more rising intonation at the end of the sentences and a more rhythmic flow when speaking. The UK is home to a diverse range of regional accents, from Cockney to Scottish. Try listening to the different accents and mimic their unique sounds and rhythms. And there you have it, guys, the basics of the British accent in just one video. Remember to practice your vowel sounds, consonant sounds, intonation and rhythm, and don't be afraid to try out different regional accents. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.